If you're after a compact, all-in-one solution for your 12 volt in the back of your four-wheel drive, your van, your caravan, or even your camper trailer, then you need to get your hands on the small 12 volt control box from Adventure Kings. First up, there's a grommet on all four sides of the box to make running wires in or out super easy. You'll also notice two heavy-duty Kings quick connectors, one on the bottom edge and one on the side. Now I've got the bottom one hooked up to my fridge where I know the plug won't come loose on corrugated roads, and the one on the side is wired directly into the solar input on my DC-DC charger. That way I can pull up at camp, plug the solar blanket in, and kick back and relax. And if you want to swap the positions of the quick connect plugs, simply unscrew the face, flip it around, then remount it. It also comes with this easy to access fuse holder that gives power to the sockets, plugs, and switches that run along the bottom edge of the control box. Plus they've got these clever indicator lights so you can tell if you've blown a fuse. You get an easy to read digital voltmeter, a double USB socket with a 1 amp plug and a 2.1 amp plug for fast charging of devices, as well as two 12 volt SIG sockets. Above these plugs are 4 rocker switches which are pre-wired with fused power, so you can easily turn added accessories on and off. I've got mine wired up to my rock light kit on my freestanding awning as camp lights, and I'll probably wire in another couple of interior lights. The Adventure King small 12 volt control box is 250mm tall, 210mm wide, and 130mm deep, making it compact enough to fit just about anywhere. Inside the box you get a negative bus bar and an N10 positive binding post. This makes running DC-DC chargers and the like so easy. It also has ring and spade terminals inside, so it's super easy to upgrade or modify your setup to suit your needs. The Adventure King small 12 volt control box is the compact solution that you've been looking for all of your 12 volt gear, so get in quick and grab one today.